In this section, you will learn what a data processing agreement is. So, what is a data processing agreement, otherwise known as a DPA? A data processing agreement is a legally binding contract that states the rights and obligations of the controller and processor concerning the protection of personal data. Under Article 28 of the GDPR, controllers who are subject to the GDPR should have a written data processing agreement in place with all their data processors. Please proceed to the next slide to learn more about the definitions of some terms that will appear in this course. In this section, you will learn when a data processing agreement is required. A data processing agreement is required whenever a data controller uses a data processor to process personal data. A DPA is also required where a processor engages a sub-processor to carry out specific processing activities on the controller's behalf. Please proceed to the next section to learn about the data processing agreement requirements. In this section, you will learn why a DPA or a data processing agreement is important. A data processing agreement is important for the following reasons. 1. A DPA is important to comply with the General Data Protection Regulation. 2. A DPA is important to protect the personal data of data subjects. Finally, the DPA sets clear expectations regarding controller and processor responsibilities and liabilities. Please proceed to the next section to learn when a DPA is required. In this section, you will learn the difference between a controller and a processor. Please take a look at the example on the screen. In this scenario, there is a fitness company that collects the names and addresses of customers to provide the latest news, company updates, and promotional codes for its innovative fitness products. The customers have consented to receiving the promotional codes. Before we proceed, please note that under the GDPR, names and email addresses constitute personal data. So 6 months later, this fitness company develops a new fitness product. It then hires a marketing firm to send promotional coupons to the customers on its behalf. It shares the mailing list with the marketing firm by a secure email. In this scenario, the fitness company is the controller because it determines the personal data that's collected and the purpose for collecting the personal data, which is to provide the latest news, company updates, and promotional codes for its innovative fitness products. to customers. The marketing company is a processor for the fitness company. It reaches out to the fitness company's customers with the promotional coupons for the customers so that they can buy the fitness products. Please proceed to the next slide to learn more about joint controllers.